one formula for communication you're talking about? Clarity, absolutely. If you can see clarity in everything you do, then we are moving into a different plane on communication. We also had a role play in terms of how do you start a conversation? How do you end a conversation? How do you say no, especially to a difficult stakeholder? Even if you're not talking, you're communicating all the time, right? So give clarity, otherwise people will form their own perceptions on their own communication, which is very, very dangerous. So give clarity on it.